bad service in here.
Hi guys, it's Cathy with SheridanSupply.com, and I'm in Albany today, the VA hospital, and with Justin. Justin, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to be sweating up some copper on this shower valve. Going to get ready to get out of the wall and sheetrock.
Okay, go for it. So essentially you're warming it up, right?
Yeah, we got to heat it up to the melting temperature of the solder to get it to flow into the fitting. You don't want to get it too hot or else you burn up the flux and you're not going to be able to get the solder into it, make a mess.
So you're up at 6 o'clock. How many of these have you done today?
Today, I'm going to say 4 of them.
Yeah.
It takes some time to get make sure all your dimensions are good and you're setting at the right height. You don't want to set it too high or too low or off to the side too far.
Everybody noticed he's got his rigid shirt on today. I think that was just an accident.
So how many followers do you have on Facebook?
415.
Okay.
Anybody who sees this video, I need like at least to get to 420 today. So anyway, SheridanSupply.com, we are selling rigid tools, welding products, safety gear, and we're doing HVAC parts, whether it be A.O. Smith, Peerless, and so forth. But basically, I'm just here today watching our guys do their thing. Okay, that's good.
Good.